Hi guys, I'm back again today with another reaction video, and today we're reacting to Ikimono Gakari. Well, I've reacted to her so long ago. If you see that video, you will be like, are you sure that's you? Because I was in a mess. It was just go compare my hair, okay? You will be like, what the fudge, were you homeless back then? Probably. But anyways, I really enjoyed her vocals. Like, she has this beautiful unique vocals, and I was like, what? I got a comment and I was like, yes, I really need to react to her again. But anyways, this is a Bluebird and it's a live version. Before we do start, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Click that bell button to get notified whenever I do upload a video. Anyways guys, let's check this out. Oh, this is gonna be great. I'm already hyped. I don't know why Japanese always do things like 1000% better. Okay, I'm gonna be pausing and talking a lot just because it's a reaction. Secondly, I don't want to get copyright, okay? We don't want to get blocked, so we have to chill. Ooh. Sorry. I don't really watch anime, so if this is like an anime like theme song or something, I'm so clueless. Okay, sorry, forgive me. Maybe it will be interesting, maybe like, to react to anime for the first time. Because I've never gotten into it. I've never gotten into it. Like every time it's on, like maybe my cousin or brother is watching, I'm just like, oh really? But everybody's hyping it up, so maybe you guys have to request like something that will like draw me into anime, I mean. Sorry, but anyways, let's go back. Sorry for talking so much, it's just copyright. Where is our girl? Come on. Oh, okay. I have no clue what is happening. I mean, what she's singing, but I love it. I love it. I have no idea what she's singing, but I want to sing along. Oh, yeah. know that part. That's the only part I know to sing. She was so fun. There's so much energy. I love it. The dancing is not on point, but it's okay. My dancing is never on point. Is it Hawaii or Kawaii? She never disappoints. Any Japanese song band I react to. Beautiful. I'm into One Ok Rock now, Bandmade, and I remember about Ikimono. Like Japan. What can't you do? What can't you do? You have great food. You have great fashion. You have great like fashion, music. Okay, great sense of humor, and also like in general people and stuff to buy, like things to buy. You have like great quality things to buy. So what else like can't you do? Because there's so many things that I'm super impressed as time comes by. And it's so crazy that I didn't get into all this when I was in Japan, because I was so young and so naive and so dumb. So when I went there, I wasn't really like into all this stuff that I'm into right now. And anime is one thing that I feel like you guys can convert me to, but I'm not yet there, or maybe I need to start watching just so I can get there. But anyways, I don't even know what I'm saying about, talking about. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, leave in the comment section down below what other videos like to react to. The original link of this video will be in the description box down below, so it's my social media link. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.